Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and to a new video. Today I'm here at Chesington where I'm going to be taking a look at Project Play. Of course it is the new land, the earliest one coming to the park in 2026 with the closing of Mexicana and Scorpion Express where the VIP hub is and all of that, and the Mexican food outlet. But yeah, come with me to the park today as we take a little look at the Project Play updates because a lot has been happening. So the first place I'm going to have a look is over the bridge by Zufari. Obviously, of course, this bridge is brand new. And you can see all of the construction walls up. These are pretty high construction walls, you know. So I don't know how much we're going to see. I might just have to kind of insert some clips from what I can. So, obviously, I'm quite small. So I don't know how much we're going to see over this wall. But the JCB and the B&E, it's all in. And obviously we know construction has already started and the demolishment of the land, and you get great views of it on Clock Drop. There it is, it's working. So there is construction happening today, as I confirmed earlier. So if you do want to get a good view of the land and the construction itself, I do recommend riding Clock Drop because the views are great, and so is on Rattlesnake, so I do recommend it. But now I'm heading around to kind of where Rattlesnake is just to have a look. I don't think we'll be able to see anything, but we can try. So I'm now heading into Mexicana. See, now the only thing that here is Rattlesnake. So yeah, we'll just have a little look. Obviously I don't think we'll be able to see anything because these construction was, like I said, pretty tall. So of course, as we know, the new land is coming in 2026 here. Obviously, Scorpion Express is now gone. Mexicana, see the Mexican food place, the VIP hubs, all going, all being knocked down. The VIP hub has actually now been moved to where the main stage is. And like I said, you can get a good ride of the land as well if you ride Rattlesnake here on Park. But like I said, assuming these buildings are all going to go, I'm not even going to try and look over that construction wall because it is so tall. And I'm literally like 5'3", 5'4", probably not even that. I'm only tiny. Seems like there's been no demolishments just yet though, but obviously of course Scorpion Express has completely gone because all its pieces are up for auction. And obviously the Yoo-Hoo Zoo has now gone and the construction walls are up around it. Although the sign is still up for it. So yeah, that is a Project Play update here at Chesington. Lots of construction happening. Of course, Scorpion Express is now gone, and today there was work happening. I am now leaving the park though, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye guys.